Borda update na magkasama sila Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco ng shoot for GMA Station ID 2025. Kasama ang Dong Yan at si Miss Jessica So at marami pang iba, mga kapuso. Yung video na abangan yan ng GMA Station ID. Magkasama dyan ng Borda. Ayan, magkatabi sila. Nasa harap nila si Miss Marion. Ay nakabarong. Ito yung basketball game ni David. Ayan, sumalaksak oh. Grabe yan oh. Kasi yan pa oh. Yung ni David eh.
Guys, I'm Kyle Menes and I'm with David Licauco. Okay, if you could only
interview
wear
si
one
David.
pair of basketball shoes for the rest of your life, ano yun? I could only wear a basketball shoes siguro Kobe 8. Why
Kobe
Kobe?
daw.
I love Kobe. Kobe talaga. Goat mo siya, goat. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Kasama rin ni David na si Kenzie. Ibabang mga basketball player. Nakalaro ni David. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.